out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. Oh, 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 oh. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Oh, oh,
I just finished writing a devotional for the new book that's coming out. It's due, so there's a lot going on this year. Real quick recap. I am finishing the Wellness Method, first and foremost, which is my step-by-step program to transform your health from the inside out, from your mindset to your metabolism to your movement. I interconnect every single one of those things literally in that order. This was originally Inner Strength. So Inner Strength that was the original name. It's still the name of the workouts. So in the program, there are workouts and those are called the Inner Strength workouts, but the actual program itself is now being rebranded and recalled as the Wellness Method so that I could give like distinction. In my last video, I was like getting confused on what year it was. I don't even know. Do you feel like that too? I'm like, how are we in 2022? In 2021, in like September, I started really working on it again. It was like the end of August, and then like September 1st, I just was working on it. September, October, November, December. Now it's like we're halfway into January. So it's big. It's really big, and I'm so excited for it to be done and for you to, oh my gosh, just be in there. It's gonna be amazing. So that's the first thing, and that is coming so soon. This is a really good time, by the way, to get in because it's the same price as it was before. And then the second thing is that I'm writing another book, which I mentioned in my last video. But yeah, the second manuscript for my second book is due at the end of this summer. So that's what I was just doing right now. I wrote a devotional, so it's gonna be a devotional style book. I cannot wait to reveal the name to you. It is so cute, and I feel like it's so beautiful, and it's so meaningful, and it's so like me. But you, if that even makes, like you'll get it, like you'll read the title and be like, oh my gosh, like that. I just feel like it's gonna be so perfect. So I'm really excited to do like a name reveal. That's obviously not gonna be for a while because I have to submit the manuscript, and it's just a big process to write a book, like a published book. So it's gonna be excited. I'm so excited to do like the cover design. I don't do it, but I give ideas, and I'm just excited for the whole process again. I feel really lit up about this book because I feel like I have a very clear direction that God has just put in my heart that I want to go with it, and that I feel like would really nourish you from the inside out. That's my little hint. That's what I was working on this morning, and I don't know why, but when I'm writing, I get really, sometimes, specifically this morning, I get really emotional. I just feel like this is such a big responsibility, and I take it very seriously, but I also like want to have fun. I don't take it lightly, and but it's so weird. It's like the hardest thing to explain because I feel like it's like the linen. Biblically speaking, the linen is, you know, it's light, it's airy, it's not heavy, it's not the wool, it's not itchy, it's not overwhelming or difficult. Like obviously it's 45,000 words, like, whew, that's a big deadline, and it is a lot, but I don't feel like this heaviness about it. I just wrote a devotion, and I absolutely love how it turned out. That's what I was doing this morning. And then the third thing that I'm doing this year, As far as the big things is getting certified as a corrective exercise specialist. So I have to keep up on my continuing education units, and that has to be done by September. So, and this manuscript is due at the end of summer, so the end of August. And then also the wellness method, I really need to finish that up like this month. I want to get that out to you because it's almost done. It's like right there, but it's just a lot. And even the fact that we're like halfway through January, I'm like, those are just the main big things. But I have like so many other things that's going on, you know, keeping up with weekly emails, getting back into posting regularly here, and just everything, you know, it's all the things. I want to really bring you into my days and just show you how I feel like that's what is on my heart. But let me know what you want to see. But I just feel like showing you what my days are looking like in the midst of a really busy, like I don't even know how many words I just wrote. It was a lot. Writing a book and studying and working on a huge program, filming and making videos, and then nourishing my body and taking care of myself. And it's like, it can be a lot, but I really want to shift the narrative that it doesn't have to be. I feel like there's this idea that health and fitness, and I think that this is perpetuated by this movement of like, push, it has to be hard. I used to think this years ago for starting out on my health and fitness. If I wasn't like dying and dripping with sweat and like restricting intensely, but that was very real to me at the time, and I was really struggling, and I didn't have a good relationship. It was very it was like this. My relationship with my body and food and health was very forced. It was very aggressive. It was not easy. It was not enjoyable. It was not fun. It was not light. It was not beautiful, really. It was a struggle. And I'm grateful though for that, because I wouldn't be able to talk to you about this now, but I want you to remember that taking care of yourself is supposed to be like the linen. It's not supposed to be the wool. It's not supposed to be scratchy and itchy and heavy and make you sweat, so to speak. We want to sweat, but we want to sweat in like the best way possible, of that it feels good. It feels good. It doesn't feel burdensome. It feels light. You can genuinely on the inside of you feel like, whoa, I feel less stressed about eating and moving my body and spending time with God. Like it feels better, and you haven't even done anything yet. It's just the mindset shift. And I think that that's really the power of fixing our minds on what is true and what is good. And I feel like I'm talking a lot, but I'm really craving an acai bowl today. Like, don't ask me why in the middle of winter that I want an acai bowl, but I just do.
Place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your sudden gaze, and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I'm
not gonna lie, I absolutely crushed it. It is the perfect consistency.
if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine?
I actually can't remember the last time that I had an acai bowl. I know, I'm not even lying to you. The kitchen, hello, I keep forgetting. Remember our kitchen, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below, but our kitchen got ripped out in May of 2021. I know what year it is. And then it got finished in November. So we didn't have a kitchen for the majority of the year. And so I just wasn't making acai bowls and stuff like that. Do you mix your acai bowls or do you kind of just like go in there? I feel a little like I don't know. I don't even know how to eat. I don't even remember how to eat it. You have to get a good bite though. Okay, this is kind of excessive now. I don't know. Okay, this is ridiculous. Whatever, here we go. Cheers. Hold. You know when you want something and then you just nail it and you're like, yep, that's what my taste buds wanted. That's what I wanted. That's what I needed. Look at that natural lip color. I love it. Hopefully I don't have chia seed in my teeth, but I just have to say, I have been loving our concrete countertops and I am so impressed that we did these. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna get over it. I love the way that they look. They remind me of the ocean, like a white sand beach. Oh, so full of character and they just make me happy. And I always wanna keep the kitchen clean just because I love looking at the countertops. I just like a clean kitchen too, but I'm completely obsessed. And the window, by the way, really quickly, is actually getting replaced, which is why in the reveal I had like a towel up here. Then the kitchen will be like 100% done, but it's nice and clean and picked up. I tried to get the acai off of my lips as much as I could, but I really want to know your opinion because I don't love I do love it. I love it for the convenience and the ease of having the little workout section in here. This was temporary. Everything was everywhere in the house when the kitchen was being ripped out. So it just kind of like naturally landed in here. There was so much stuff in the garage. Anyway, so I'm kind of at this point right now where I'm like, do I want to leave this in here? I don't really. And I was thinking maybe I can just move my office like in here. But is that weird? Like, I don't know if not is it weird, but like, what do you think? Would that look good? Does it flow? Because this is kind of the front room of the house, as you can see. And then we have the dining area. By the way, I got those chairs off of Facebook Marketplace. My friend found them for me. They were $5 a chair. I actually need to like kind of fix them up. Like I need to repaint them because they're like a little bit chipped. They were used for like weddings and events and stuff like that. So they were stacked a lot. But so there's like some chipping on there, but $5 a chair. And like, look how cute this turned out. And then that table I thrifted off of Facebook Marketplace as well. Vintage, or is it antique? I don't remember. Then I just swapped out the light. The wall actually right here was, you can't see it now, but it was cut into for a long time. So we had to take down the artwork. So I don't know, like, I just want your opinion. Like, what should we do for this wall right here behind the dining table? And then do you think that I could put my desk in here? Just like a cozy office where I put like a couple chairs in the front and then have a desk. I saw a super cute desk on Facebook Marketplace. I'm obsessed with Facebook Marketplace. Like, you can get so many amazing things on there for such a good deal. It's kind of like treasure hunting. I love it. So I'm thinking about that and maybe making it like more of a homey office. But I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. Do you think that that would look good in kind of the front room? I feel like I would enjoy working out here more just because of the lighting. I don't know. I'm kind of torn. So I genuinely want to know, like, do you think that that would look good? Should I do that? And then I can move all of the workout and make the office a workout room, which I feel like would be really fun as well. And then it's like not right when you walk in the house, you know what I mean? So right now I really need to walk Meester. He's being so patient and good. Patient. For dinner, I'm thinking of doing like a chicken quesadilla, like coconut wrap, the TikTok wrap thing. I know everyone is doing those, but I think it looks so fun. So I'm kind of thinking of doing that because I have some ripe avocados and I can make like some guacamole. And then we have this amazing local salsa that I'm obsessed with. I wish I knew how to make good salsa. But so I have that in the fridge, then I have some chicken, and then I have coconut wraps. So I figured I could totally probably do that. I can like visualize it in my head and my mouth's watering. I do soothing caramel bedtime or a bag of our snore and peace herbal tea.
I like blue. Take the blue pill.
Blue?
And you'll stay asleep. Take that red pill. It's Matrix.
Bring them over here. Let me see them. I don't really want one right now. I'm really full.
See? I'm just kidding. Alright, share.
These are so good though. The dark chocolate honey mints from Trader Joe's. I'm way too full to have one right now. Get it,
I'll
Mom.
eat the second one slower so I can actually enjoy it.
Like how you ate the macaroons when I got you when we first started dating.
Now you're heading for the show. All your memories through a broken Telecaster. Would you be here in the fall and a long December? Pull me closer. Say this town is for the ghosts, and I'm buried in the rocks, dear. If you're leaving, let me know. Is it in the papers? Is it in your bloodstream? Tigers on trails, watching you go. Head in the glass, fogging up the windows. Now you're never gonna come back. You don't